how are you?
I'm fine.
Gladys Nairobi Power Bikes. Today we have a visitor. Maybe he can tell us his name, what he has come to do. Yeah.
So my name is John Zioki. So I've come to collect my Tekken, which as Gladys has said, I got it from Nairobi Power Bikes, and I'm from Lower Kabete. So the group that rides down there to Patane soon. Yes.
Okay, now John, what do you think about the price of this bike?
So the price was affordable, and to me it was pocket friendly. So yeah, I was able to cover it. Yeah, thank you.
Now, what do you love about the Tekken 250cc oil cooled?
Yes. So the Tekken, it's an ADV, so which means adventure freaks. It's the best option for you. It's also a beginner for me, which means I'm going to try and grow with it. So what I like about it, super cool stuff. The LED lights, we have the panniers that come with it, extra storage for you. There is even the chain link, which is gold, little to zero maintenance, but pia enda kwa mechanic iki break down. So else the dashboard, which means super, you get to know everything about the bike. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, now John, how did you get to know us?
So I got to know you through a friend called Jeremiah. I think he is one of the early bike purchasers from Nairobi Power Bikes. I love Nairobi Power Bikes through him. Yeah.
Okay, now there are those customers of your friends maybe who would really want to have the bike, but they don't have enough money. What would you tell them?
So Nairobi Power Bike offers a lipa pole pole option, which means you pay little installments at a time, and then you can collect your bike once you've finished. So it's a project, I know. It depends, yeah. So because of the price, so some people will choose to save. So usisave ikae kwa bank, you can save with them, which means you bring the money, pole pole unalipa, and then you will collect your bike once you finished your full payment plan. Yes.
Okay, tell us about the roads that you'll be using with your Tekken 250cc.
So, well, I work in the city, which means I'll be on tarmac, but then over the weekends I'll be doing rough roads, which means I come from Kambani. The terrain is really good, I think, for this bike. So which means rocks and everything will have that thrill of enjoying that terrain with a Tekken.
Generally, what would you talk about our customer service, or is there something that you want us to improve?
Well, the customer service is excellent. Ladies, you guys have a very good response time. What I really miss about the new one, okay, the new model, is that there is a missing 250 somewhere. Okay, I think I would have wished to have that.
Have you heard about the Vogue?
Yes, so Vogue, it's an ADV type of a bike. It's coming, and probably at the end of the in the third last quarter of the year, which means for Tekken guys and Vogue guys, you can do trade-ins. So you can get in touch with Nairobi Power Bikes, and if you are looking also for that upgrade, kuja utaipata. It's a fantastic bike. Yeah.
And would you advise the Vogue customers who are interested with the Vogue to start doing the payment slowly before the bikes get here?
Yes. If you can come, put a deposit, endelea na hiyo plan ya lipa pole pole, which means when the bikes are here, you will collect your bike and you will have a good time.
Oh,
yes.
Nice. Thank you so much, John, for trusting us with your money. We really appreciate. Always make sure that you're riding with your riding gears on. Yeah.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you for trusting me with a Tekken.
Yeah.
Asante sana.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.